To make QuickBooks Online look like desktop, start by accessing your QuickBooks Online account and navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings to customize your QuickBooks Online experience. First, let's focus on the navigation. In QuickBooks Desktop, you are used to a more traditional menu bar with tabs for different sections. To replicate this in QuickBooks Online, click on the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and select the items you want to display. You can also rearrange these items to match your desktop layout. Next, customize your dashboard to resemble the desktop version. Click on the Customize button at the top right corner of the dashboard and select the widgets you want to display. You can add or remove widgets and rearrange them to suit your needs. Another key aspect is the color scheme and theme. QuickBooks Online allows you to change the theme to a more traditional look. Go to Account and Settings, then select the Company tab, and click on the Theme drop-down menu. Choose the theme that closely resembles the desktop version. In addition, you can also customize the display of your transactions and lists. Go to Account and Settings, then select the Advanced tab, and click on the Transaction and List display options. Here, you can choose to display transactions and lists in a more traditional desktop format. To take it a step further, consider using the QuickBooks Online keyboard shortcuts, which are similar to the desktop version. This will help you navigate and perform tasks more efficiently. You can find the list of keyboard shortcuts in the QuickBooks Online Help menu. By following these steps, you can make QuickBooks Online look and feel more like the desktop version, providing a more familiar and comfortable experience for users transitioning from desktop. Remember to explore the various customization options available in QuickBooks Online to tailor the experience to your specific needs.